Revision Notes. Catholic beliefs. The creation story is described in the first 2 chapters of Genesis. Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness. Genesis 1:26. For Catholics, this is very important, and many take it to mean that God has given humans a unique role and status. Genesis is the first book of the Bible. The first 2 chapters deal with creation. Genesis 1 describes the creation of the earth, while Genesis 2 focuses on the creation of the first humans, Adam and Eve. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:1. In Genesis 1, Christians find how God created the world. It says, God is the only creator. God existed before he created the world. The world was well planned and is sustained by God. God blessed creation. All creation is holy. God created everything in heaven and on earth in 6 days. On the 7th day, God rested. For Catholics, rather than being a literal explanation for the origin of life, Genesis 1 teaches key information about God's nature. God made the world how he wanted it to be, and he is omnipotent. God saw everything he had made, and indeed it was very good. Genesis 1:31. Creation also highlights God's transcendence. Christians believe he is above and beyond the universe and human understanding. Creation of humans. Christians believe that the first 2 humans were called Adam and Eve. So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created them, male and female. Source of wisdom, Genesis 1:27. According to Christian belief, God created humans in his image. This does not mean that humans physically have the same appearance as God. Instead, they have specific characteristics that they share with God, such as being loving. For Christians, this shows how vital all humans are to God and explains their unique relationship with him. It is also a reminder to them that humans should try to behave like God, showing love and being forgiving. This does not mean that humans physically have the same appearance as God. Instead, they have specific characteristics that they share with God, such as being loving. For Christians, this shows how vital all humans are to God and explains their unique relationship with him. It is also a reminder to them that humans should try to behave like God, showing love and being forgiving. Then the Lord God formed man from the dust of the ground and breathed life into his nostrils, the breath of life, and man became a living thing. Source of wisdom, Genesis 2:7.